Good morning from beautiful Stavanger. Not feeling too good today. The voice has gone a bit, but we're still going to go and have some fun. So I'm going to go now for a walk to the top of the viewing point. Don't ask me how to say it, how to pronounce it, but what I will do is I'm going to put the name on the screen at some point. It's a beautiful day, partially cloudy. It's not too bad. Everyone's out. It's the weekend, and it's just stunning here. I really like this place. Went for a walk yesterday, and it was brilliant. So, yeah, let's go climb this viewing hill. It'll be loads of fun. Let's do it. Okay, so everyone's walking towards it. As you can see, it's in the middle of the city, and there it is there. The stairs to the top. Alright, let's do it. The entrance, can't really miss it. Let's do it. It's quite nice. You're in a park. You're walking up. It's very pretty. I did not expect this. I just expected some steps. Wow, it's beautiful. And quiet. Except for me talking. That's very nice. Oh, much easier than Pulpit Rock. That climb was hectic. Yeah. Well, it's just beautiful. It makes me just want to sit down and enjoy the nature rather than do the climb. Check out this nice little water feature here. I'm sure it's all natural, maybe not. Nice pond. Okay, let's do it. There's a few different tracks, it seems, but I'll stick to the climb.
Early the next morning.
Good morning from beautiful Alesund. I'm just about to have breakfast, so I'm gonna do croissant. I'm gonna take a few with me for the road, and smoked salmon I'm gonna eat now, yogurt and muesli, and a bit of smoothie. And the view's just beautiful. I really don't want to leave, but hey, it's time to go down. So today we're gonna go to Strain. There's a ferry crossing, and then from there to Sogndal Fjords. If I have time, I'm gonna go up the gondola in Loen, but the goal is to get to Sogndal before 3 p.m. because the weatherman says it's gonna rain then, so I want to get there before the rain. It's a bit cloudy now, but I think it's gonna be okay, about 14 degrees, and then when I get to destination it's about 22 degrees. So really beautiful riding weather before the rain comes. So that's the goal. Let's have fun and let's go. Hello, strain. Hello, biker. Oh, hello, KTM.
Much later.
Hello from Sogndal. The last hour was wet, but I stayed dry. I'm very lucky with my TriStar jacket and pants. Just a little bit of water in the shoes. I didn't even notice it while I was riding. It's only now that I noticed that my socks were a little bit wet at the toes. And the pants were a little bit wet, but not from the rain, but from the seat. I stood up at one point to look at the views, and then when I sat down, I felt my bum getting wet. So I've made it. I'm dry. I'm just drying a couple of things, like my backpack that sits on top of the bike. It's waterproof, so I just need to wipe it down. The helmet and the camera. I'm wiping the camera down. It's also waterproof, but can't charge it wet. And then that's it. I'm gonna relax. It's 4 p.m. and I'm gonna enjoy my stay in this hotel. There's a pizzeria and a burger place, so I'm not going anywhere. It's wet outside, so yeah, it's a fun day. And tomorrow we're heading to Bergen, so that should also be fun.